Action Coach has allowed me to grow the business to the point where I've had a large global company come in and they've made me a great offer. I've sold the business. I've built my house that I've always dreamed to have overseas. I'm now at a point where in a year or two I can exit the business knowing that everyone in the company that I've built here has got a great job moving forward, and I can move on to pastures new and enjoy the rest of my life. I didn't have any formal business training, or I didn't do a degree or anything like that. I was more of a hands-on guy. I did an engineering apprenticeship, and I got to a point where the business is turning over 7 figures, and you start to think, I really am not sure where to go with this next. What do I do? And that was the point when I thought, right, I need to get some assistance. At that point, I was doing absolutely everything in the business, and what Action Coach really let me do was completely realign, tear up the business, start again, completely restructure it so that you had the right people in the right roles, and I could concentrate on what I needed to do, which was run the company and grow it. I would say that was pretty rapid. I would think within 4 to 6 months, certainly my mindset had changed. I was reading books, I was educating myself on lots and lots of really interesting stuff. I didn't find it hard work at all. I found it really enjoyable. And I think because it was enjoyable, that made me want to do it more. I would say within the end of the first year, there were absolutely huge results, not just in increased sales and revenue, but also in the work that we've done in margin and just systemizing throughout the business. So when we first were involved with Action Coach, our turnover was around £1 million, and our gross profit has increased since we sold the business in January. It was an extra 20% gross profit whilst we maintained our list price. So our customers didn't see any real price rises other than incremental. And in terms of revenue, when we sold, we were 5 or 6 times original revenue. That led to Crosby making contact with us early in last year, 2018, to see really if we would be interested in selling the business. There was an ongoing negotiation from that, and then we came up with a deal late last year, and that was signed on the 2nd of January this year, and I'm now the Global Business Development Director for Straightpoint globally. So I'm really now working to build up our distribution network across the world. Even this Saturday just gone, I worked on Saturday, but then I had Tuesday I had some fun with my family, and Friday I'll take some time off. So it's to suit me, and that's what's really ideal with this. I don't feel I need to be here at 6 in the morning till 6 at night. I can say, look, I'm not going to be in on Friday, and I'll pop in on Saturday morning if it suits me, and that's how it should be. My wife is from Thailand, and when I was first involved with Action Coach, one of the dreams that we kind of had was that it'd be great to have a home there. And during the time with Action Coach, we've built a really nice house on the edge of a national park. It's a really beautiful place to go and spend some downtime and relax and chill out. What is the most important thing I'd learned from Action Coach? I think really was just looking at our organisational structure, tearing that up, starting again, having the right people in the right roles, and then knowing where we had gaps, knowing where we needed to recruit, how to train, how to integrate people into the business, so that I could then get on with what I needed to do, which was run the company and make the big strategic decisions.